So I want to briefly explain the difference between polarization and importance. What you got to understand is that at all times of the day, you are either pushing or pulling something to or from you. You are a living magnet, and you are walking around in an electromagnetic field of potentialities, and things are happening to you and away from you, and you don't even realize what's going on. So I gotta let you know. So the first one, let's just talk about importance. When you place importance on something, the universe pushes that away from you, and you think you are helping your cause, but you're actually hurting your cause, because what you've done is you placed a pole on yourself, whether that's positive or negative, and then you place the same charge on what you're placing importance on. So if you want a woman or a man or a mate, and you're placing, like, I need this person so bad, and even if it's a positive, so you charge yourself as a positive, but you've also charged the object. So what happens when two positive or two negative objects come close to each other in a magnetic field? They push. So you're pushing the object that you want away from you by placing importance on it. So you got to understand that. Don't place importance on everything. Everything must be normal. The next thing you're doing is polarization. Polarization means comparison. And when you place yourself as I'm good and this is bad, or I'm positive and this is negative, or I'm negative and this is positive, what you're doing is you are polarizing yourself as positive, I'm so good, and then you are placing the negative on the object, they are so bad. So now you're positive and they or it is negative. And what happens when opposite poles interact in a magnetic field? They attract. So whatever you don't want keeps coming to you because you're polarizing it. So you don't want a thing or a person or a situation, and it keeps popping up in your life because you polarized it. So please understand, you are either pulling or pushing things in or out of your life, and you don't even realize you're doing it. And the universe doesn't care that you don't know. The universe doesn't care what you do. There's laws, and you are either acting in accordance with it or not in accordance with it. So, quick video, just remember, you don't place importance on objects, and stop comparing, and you will float into your desired reality with no problem. Namaste.